Why can't I print with my computer after installing the driver? Tips: Do not attempt to add the printer through the printers and scanners settings interface. Follow these steps instead. Go to Setting Printer and Scanners D810 Manage Print a Test page to see if it prints. If you can't print it, the printer driver needs to be reinstalled. First, uninstall driver. Enter Setting Devices Printer and Scanners to remove the printer D810. After removing it, try to restart your computer. Connect the printer to your computer using a USB cable and install the manufacturer-provided driver. Reinstall the driver. After successful driver installation, disconnect the USB cable. Reconnect it to the same physical port on your computer. Return to the Printers and Scanners page to check if the D810 model is automatically detected. And try to print the test page. If the printer remains undetected, perform a complete driver reinstallation.